Hi guys, in this video we will learn about how you can use Embedchain, okay, and then here we will add URLs, okay, and ask some question on top of that. So let's start. Create a file, tut1, okay, .py, and then import OS from Embedchain port app, okay, and let's create a and now create a .env, okay, where add your API key, OpenAI API key, add it here without double inverted comma, just add the API key that you get it on OpenAI. Okay, once it's done, then what you can use the library to load it is from .env import load.env. Okay, it will load the .env file, so load.env. Okay, and now let's create an object of app. Okay, so we have the port app. Okay, and then add some URL here. Okay, so now add some URLs. Okay, so here I added links of Elon Musk, and one is of Wikipedia, another one is of Forbes, and we'll ask some questions on top of it now. Okay, so to ask some question is this simple bot dot query, and you can ask how many companies Elon Musk have it. Okay, and let's print this. Now to, to run this, Python tut1. Okay, it says me that I don't have the key, so I will add it there. Okay, so now I added that, so there will be no problem anymore. Okay, it's taking some time, just give some second. So it create a vector database. So if you want to see, you can see it here. So you can see it created a database over here, SQL Lite 3, and you can see it here. Elon Musk has confirmed 6 companies. Okay, so this is a way how you can use Embedchain. Okay, and it's very easy to do everything, right? In the next video, we'll add a YouTube video, okay, and ask some questions. All this code will be there on a GitHub link, and link will be there in the description. So check it out. Thank you for watching.